Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Lightroom for branding, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Adobe Lightroom. Press the Enter key to go to the Adobe Lightroom website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In option in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the Adobe login page. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, click on Continue. Now, enter your password in the designated field. After entering your password, click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Adobe account dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Lightroom option. Click on Lightroom to access the app. If you're using Lightroom for the first time, you may need to download the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the download if required. After the download, open the Lightroom application on your device. Log in again if prompted with the Adobe ID and password. You are now successfully logged into Adobe Lightroom. Feel free to explore the features available for branding and photo editing. You're ready to start your journey with Adobe Lightroom for branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.